EagleRidge Roofing, trusted roofing solutions in Saratoga Springs, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing is proud to be the premier roofing contractor serving Saratoga Springs, Utah, and the surrounding 84045 zip code. We offer a full range of residential and commercial roofing services tailored to meet the diverse needs of our clients. For residential properties, we specialize in new roof installations, repairs and replacements, storm damage assessments and gutter repairs, siding, soffit, and fascia installations, shake shingle treatments, attic ventilation, and energy-efficient caulking. For commercial buildings, our services include flat and metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane installations, roof coatings to extend durability, preventative maintenance through our EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan. At EagleRidge, we're committed to delivering superior craftsmanship using premium materials and adhering to industry best practices. Our process begins with a thorough inspection and a detailed proposal, ensuring transparency and client satisfaction at every step. With years of experience and a reputation for excellence, we've become the trusted choice for roofing solutions in Saratoga Springs. Whether you need a repair, a full replacement, or routine maintenance, EagleRidge has you covered. Contact us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule your consultation. EagleRidge Roofing, Saratoga Springs' trusted name in roofing.